If you're searching for the perfect camera that combines stellar photo quality with cutting-edge video capabilities, you've come to the right place. Hybrid mirrorless cameras have become a top choice for creators, offering a versatile mix of still photography and professional-grade video recording. Here's an overview of 7 of the best hybrid cameras in 2025, designed to cater to various needs and budgets. The Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX stands tall as the ultimate hybrid camera in 2025. With its full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor, this model provides exceptional image quality and video features that cater to serious content creators. It boasts unlimited 6K video recording, full sensor readout, and 4K to 60p 210-bit internal recording. What makes it stand out is the ability to record directly to an external SSD and live stream to platforms like YouTube and Facebook. One of the highlights is its advanced phase hybrid autofocus, which combines PDAF and contrast detect AF for excellent subject tracking, even in low light. Stabilization is another strong point, delivering best-in-class results. However, the flip-out screen can be blocked by cables, and there's no CF Express slot. Despite these minor drawbacks, the S5 IIX is a dream machine for both stills and video, particularly for professionals who need versatility. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 II proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get high-end video features. Designed with Micro Four Thirds technology, this camera delivers sharp 4K UHD video at up to 60p and supports wireless streaming. It's especially appealing to those who prioritize portability, as the smaller sensor is easier to stabilize. This model shines with tools like vector scope and waveform monitoring, which are typically reserved for professional equipment. Its 20.3 megapixel sensor ensures impressive still image performance, even though it's not as robust as full-frame alternatives. The IBIS system enables sharp handheld shots, even with exposures as long as 1 second. While its chunky build might not suit everyone, the GH5 II remains a fantastic choice for budget-conscious creators who want a camera that performs reliably for both stills and video. For those just dipping their toes into the world of hybrid cameras, the Nikon Z50 is a fantastic starting point. Its APS-C sensor delivers vibrant stills and 4K video without any cropping, making it a great all-around performer. The camera's lightweight build, just 395 grams, is perfect for travel or street photography. And the deep grip ensures comfortable handling. The Z50 is equipped with Nikon's reliable hybrid autofocus and offers a solid 11 FPS burst shooting speed. While it lacks in body stabilization, pairing it with a lens featuring built-in IS can offset this limitation. The flip-down touchscreen is handy for selfies and vlogging, though it becomes obscured when mounted on a tripod. If you're looking for a budget-friendly and user-friendly hybrid camera, the Z50 is hard to beat. Pair it with the 16-50mm pancake lens for added versatility, and you'll have a compact powerhouse ready to go. The Fujifilm X-S20 takes everything great about its predecessor, the X-S10, and pushes it even further. This APS-C camera is an ideal companion for content creators who want serious features without lugging around a full-frame system. With its 26.1 megapixel sensor and 6.2K video recording at 30 FPS, it's equipped for a variety of creative endeavors. Its standout features include deep learning AI technology for autofocus, which excels at subject tracking. The built-in pop-up flash is a handy bonus for stills photographers. For video creators, the vlog mode on the dial offers features like product priority mode, which seamlessly shifts focus between your face and an object. With Fujifilm's signature film simulations, you can achieve a beautiful analog-inspired look for both photos and videos straight out of the camera. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it a favorite for enthusiasts who need performance without sacrificing portability. The Sony A7 IV offers an outstanding balance of stills and video performance, making it a top contender for professionals. Its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor delivers breathtaking image quality, while 4K video recording, oversampled from 7K, ensures razor-sharp footage. The camera supports advanced autofocus with real-time eye AF for humans and animals, making it a reliable choice for event photographers and videographers. One of its unique features is 10-bit video recording with S-Cinetone for cinematic results. The A7 IV also offers strong battery life, dual card slots, and weather sealing for outdoor shoots. Though it comes at a premium price, the robust feature set justifies the investment for those seeking a hybrid camera that excels in nearly every aspect. Canon's EOS R6 Mark II is the go-to hybrid camera for low light scenarios. Its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, paired with an impressive ISO range, ensures clean and detailed images in challenging conditions. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is incredibly responsive, making it perfect for action photography and video. The R6 Mark II supports 4K video at 60 fps and Full HD at up to 120 fps, catering to creators who need slow-motion capabilities. It's also equipped with in-body stabilization, which works seamlessly with Canon's RF lenses to deliver smooth, handheld footage. While its price is on the higher side, the R6 Mark II's exceptional performance in both photo and video makes it a worthwhile investment. For those who prioritize portability, the OM System OM1, formerly Olympus, is a standout choice. Its Micro Four Thirds sensor might be smaller than its rivals, but it delivers impressive image quality and high-end video capabilities. With 4K DCI video recording and a lightweight build, this camera is ideal for travel and adventure photographers. The OM1 features class-leading weather sealing, ensuring it can withstand tough outdoor conditions. Its advanced autofocus and fast burst shooting make it a great option for wildlife and sports photography. Plus, the compact design means you'll never hesitate to bring it along on your next adventure. Choosing the right hybrid camera depends on your specific needs and budget. Whether you're a professional videographer, a budding content creator, or someone who just wants a reliable camera for everyday use, there's a model on this list for you. The Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX leads the pack as the ultimate all-rounder, while the Nikon Z50 and Panasonic Lumix GH5 II cater to beginners and budget-conscious creators. For enthusiasts, the Fujifilm X-S20 offers an excellent balance of performance and portability, and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, Sony A7 IV provide pro-level features for demanding users. Finally, the OM System OM1 is a compact powerhouse for those who are always on the move.